My name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection attorney in Alabama, and I want to talk to you about the TCPA, the Telephone Consumer Protection Act. That's the law that governs text to your cell phone, auto dial calls to your cell phone, robo dial calls to your cell phone, pre-recorded messages to your cell phone, and specifically talk about why do some courts, including the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals, which that covers Alabama, Georgia, Florida, why do they call this a bounty hunter statute? If you think about bounty hunter, you think of the Old West, and they have those pictures, wanted dead or alive. And so somebody captures a criminal, brings them in, and they get money. Now that criminal didn't personally harm that bounty hunter, but we still paid that bounty hunter money. Well, why is that? Well, it's to provide an incentive to catch the bad guys. This law is the same way. We have credit card companies, debt collectors, mortgage companies, auto finance companies, all sorts of companies out there blowing up people's phones illegally without permission. Text messages, auto dial, robo dial, pre-recorded messages to somebody's cell phone when they don't have permission to do that. And the government has said, look, we can't stop all this on our own, but we're going to say to the citizens of America, if this has happened to you, you have the right to bring a lawsuit. And for every violation, every single violation, $500 or as much as $1,500. And sometimes these companies go, this is so unfair. We call this person 200 times and they can get $100,000 or $300,000 in damages. It really didn't hurt them. This law doesn't have anything to do with being hurt. This is what's called statutory damages. You don't have to prove you were hurt, but you can get this money. It provides an incentive to you to bring the suit, and it provides an incentive to the company when they're sitting there going, should we do this? Should we violate the law? Should we just blow up everybody's cell phone regardless of whether we have permission? We want them to think, it's pretty expensive. And now people know about this law. Now they're suing us. We don't want to do this anymore. We're going to follow the law. So it's an incentive to you to get money damages, so you have an incentive to bring the case. And it's an incentive to the corporation to say, whoa, we won't break the law anymore. So, sometimes defendants and defense lawyers go, oh, this is some kind of evil bounty hunter. No, the courts have said it absolutely is a bounty hunter statute. That's a good thing, because the incentives are there for consumers to step up and stop this, and for companies to say, okay, this is too expensive, it's affecting our bottom line, we're going to stop breaking the law. So if you live in Alabama and you have a question about calls, texts, pre-recorded messages to your cell phone, give us a call, 205-879-2447. Or you can find out more about this. You can also contact us at alabamaconsumer.com. And if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and that way you'll be updated on all of our new videos. Thank you very much.